Hello dear students, today we are going to learn how to solve questions on compound interest. Dear students, before we start learning the compound interest, we should understand the formula for the compound interest. See, the compound interest can be found out annually as well as half yearly. For both, we have a different formulas. Here we have two formulas. One is calculating compound interest annually and another what we have finding the compound interest half yearly. So whenever they are asking to find the compound interest annually, we will apply this formula, and when they ask us to find the compound interest half yearly, we will apply this formula. When in the question it is given that P, that is nothing but the principal amount 10,800, and the time taken is 3 years and the rate of interest is 1/2% annually. Find the compound interest and the amount. So after 3 years, how much amount we have to pay and how much interest we have paid for 3 years, for both we have to find out. So for this, annually they ask us to find compound interest annually. So I will apply this formula. So when we try to apply the formula, we will substitute the values. So it will be 10,800 1 plus, what is the rate of interest is here? 12 1/2. If I write it, if it is in mixed fraction, I have to write it in, we have to convert it into improper fraction, that is 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So rate of interest can also be written as 25 divided by 2%. So the rate of interest is what? 25 divided by 2 into 100. It is given in the formula. So rate of interest is what? 3 years. So I will write 3. So after simplification, it will become 200 plus 1. So that is 1 plus 25 divided by 200 cube is equal to 10,800. 200 plus 25 is 225 divided by 200. As it is cube, so we have to multiply it with thrice. So 225 divided by 200 into 225 divided by 200. So after simplification, 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, and then again if I go with 5 table, 5 4s are 40, 5 4s are 20 and 1 0, that is 40, and again 5 4s are 20, 2 left, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. Then again with 5 table, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 and 2 left, that is 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So if I again it doesn't we can divide this. 4 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 7s are 14. Then okay, now what left? 27, 2 25, 9 into 9 81 divided by 32, 8 4s are. If you simplify, we will get, see, after simplification we will get this answer 15,377.34. This is what amount what we get actually. So when we want to know the compound interest, that means what? The compound interest, whatever the interest we have paid after 3 years, if we want to know only the interest paid, see, this is what all over interest along with the principal amount 10,800. This is including of that. So we have to subtract 10,800 from the amount. So we will get the actual compound interest. This is what, how we are going to find out annually. Okay. Now we will see how to find the compound interest half yearly with this formula. Dear students, in this question they ask us to find the amount and the compound interest half yearly, and the question given, the principal amount is 62,500, time is 1/2 year, and the rate of interest is 8%. So when they ask us to find half yearly, already we know the formula. And see here, for rate of interest we have to divide it by 2. Either you divide here or directly here only you can divide and write the answer. 8/2 is equal to 4. Okay, so dear students, what we need to do is we have to take the formula and substitute the values. 62,500, 1 plus rate of interest is what? Already we have taken 4% divided by 100 to because it is half yearly. So this can be written as 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3/2. So it will become what? 2 into 3/2. 2 get cancelled. We will get only 3 here. So 62,500, 1 plus 4 divided by 100 raised to 3 cube. So 62,500, this, if you take LCM of this, it will become 104 divided by 100, and then this is 3 times, so I have to write 104 divided by 100 and into 104 divided by 100. So now we have to simplify. 2 zeros get cancelled, 2 zeros get cancelled, and with the table of 5 20s are 100, 5 ones are 5, 1 left, 5 twos are 10, 2 left, 5 fives are 25. So 5 fours are 40, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. Then with the table of 4, I can divide it with 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. Then again 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are 12. Okay. Then again with the table of 2. So what I will do? We will multiply all this. 25, 26 into 104 into 104 divided by 100. After simplification, see dear students, after simplification of this, we will get 70,304. That is the amount. So to find the compound interest, we have compound interest is equal to A minus P. So this is amount minus P. We get 7,804. It means what? How much compound interest we paid? We have paid 7,804. Dear students, one more type of question in the compound interest. We have the principal amount 10,000, time is 1 year 3 months, and rate of interest is 1/2% per annum compounded annually. Dear students, annually we have only one formula, that is A is equal to P 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to T. This is time. See, when the time is only dependent, with the help of this only we can solve the question. See, for example, in this question 1 year 3 months. So time, how do we calculate? 1 year we have 1 full year, and 3 months will be what? Out of 12 months we have 3 months we have to consider. So this can be written as 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So this can also be written as 1/4. Okay, 1/4 year. This is the time. So in this condition, 1 whole year we will consider as this T, and for 1/4, when it is given compounded annually, and also the time is given in terms of mixed fraction, in such situation we will use this formula to find this 1 whole year. But for 1/4 we will use again simple interest formula. Okay, so we will see how to do that. Already we know that substitution of the values 10,000, and I'll write I'll substitute rest of the values. 1 plus what is the R value here? We have this rate of interest is also in terms of mixed fraction. So I have to convert this. 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17. So this can be written as 17 divided by 2 into 100. And this for one whole year we are finding. So it will become 1. So 10,000. 200 into 1 is 200 plus 17 is 217 divided by 200. Only once we are finding, so no need to write one more time. So directly I will cancel 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 ones are 2 50s are 100. Okay, so 50 into 207, so that will be 10,850 rupees. Okay, so this is what our amount for 1 year. Then how can I find the compound interest? Already you know compound interest is equal to A minus P. So what is my A? 10,850 minus this 10,000. So we will get 850 rupees as a compound interest. But for still 1 by 4 we have to find. No, for this we will use simple interest formula, that is P into T into R divided by 100. And here before applying this formula, this P value you have to take what we get here as a amount. Okay, this you need to remember. So here I will write 10,850 into time is what? 1 by 4 and rate of interest is 17 by 2 into 100. 1 divided by 100. So this can be written as 4 2s are 8. 8 into 100 is 800 into 17 is equal to 230.56 rupees. This is what we get interest. Directly we will get interest here. Okay, so no need to subtract this minus this principal amount. Directly we will get interest. So what is my interest? 850 plus this 230.56 we have to add. So we will get the actual compound interest what we are paying. So this will become 850 plus 230.56. It will be 1080.56 rupees. So this is how we calculate annually. But when the time is given in terms of mixed fraction, suppose the time is given like this, 3 by 2. How do we do this? For this 2 we will use the compound interest formula, this formula directly, and this for 3 by 2 we will use simple interest. This you need to remember at the time when the time is given in terms of mixed fraction. Okay, but when it is given in terms of half yearly, only we have to apply the another formula which I have given you.